orange white chocolate cheesecake.
Oh, wow.
So
That's great.
I have some good old-fashioned Philadelphia cream cheese.
Great.
A little bit of heavy cream. Some sugar. And I'm going to add this sour cream in there. And we're going to paddle this. So we're going to set this to 2.
Okay.
And just let that paddle. You're going to keep it on.
Make sure I can do it. I'm doing well.
All right.
They're telling me about oranges. What nutritional value do they have?
So most famously known for the vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. It is important year-round, but it also has vitamin A, and so that's going to help with things like eyesight as well as healthy skin, in addition to healthy immune system.
Good.
A little bit of fiber you can get as well. About 12% of your daily allotments can come from oranges. So I love that we're using some fresh oranges here and fresh juice, because instead of that glass of processed orange juice that you might give your child, just give them the fresh fruit.
Much better, yeah.